So, kamusta naman kayo? Right now, andito ako sa bahay. Mm, Kakatas ko lang mag-birthday and then kakatas ko lang mag-resign. So, isang taon na akong ganito, nagre-resign, nagkakaroon ng work, nagre-resign, nagkakaroon ng work. Kasi karamihan ng mga nahanap kong trabaho is, ayun nga, mga narcissist, yung mga boss. I mean, hindi naman lahat, pero iba-iba kasi iba-iba yung scenario niya. So, hindi ko naman nila lahat. Anyway, so, yes po, bumili na po ako ng Kindle. Regalo ko po to sa sarili ko kasi nahihirapan na ako magdala ng libro at nasisira yung libro sa loob ng bag ko dahil wala siyang cover pagka umaalis ako. So, hindi ko siya nababasa na maayos din yung mga books ko kasi, ayun nga, natutupi lang siya sa bag ko and then wala akong time magbasa. So, eto, bumili na ako ng Kindle since ilang years ko na talaga tong pinag-iisipang bilhin. So, nag-give in na talaga ako kasi gusto ko na talaga siya. And ang gaan niya and madali din siyang ilagay sa bag. Anyway, dapat yung bibilhin ko is Kobo. Kaso nga lang, parang hindi siya worth it ng presyo niya. Same lang naman din kasi siya ng, same lang naman din siya ng Kindle Basic. So, parang ang goal ko lang naman talaga is makapagbasa. And ayun lang talaga. Hindi ko naman na kailangan ng may kulay yung Kindle ko kasi basa lang talaga yung ultimate goal ko dito. So anyway, I am currently reading The Night and the Moth by Rachel Gillig. So far, so good. I will update you if this is highly recommended. Anyway, so guys, I have a pet. So, a dog lover talaga ako. Pero kasi may mga blessings lang na biglang dumating sa buhay namin na hindi namin naasahan. So, eto siya. Her name is Panchi. Yes po. Napulot lang po namin siya. She is Persian. Si Panchi ay may sakit na feline. So, para siyang parbo. Ano siya? Lagi siyang nakuha namin siya na may sipon. So, bigla na lang siyang sumulpot sa tapat ng bahay namin. And then, naawa ako sa kanya kasi umiiyak talaga siya. And then, nakakaawa siya kasi mag-isa lang siya sa labas. Tapos, lumalabas siya pag tinatawag ko siya, ganyan. Tapos, hindi na siya umaalis sa amin. Tapos noon, after noon, pina-vet ko siya. So, pabalik-balik kami sa vet kasi hindi na nawawala yung sakit niya. Ano sasabi mo? So, anyway, ito siya. Hi! Guys, meron pa akong isang binili. Yes po. Ang gastos ko, 'di ba? So, anyway, this is my leather journal. The color is red wine. I think strap niya pink and dark pink. This is the details sa gitna. Ayan lang yung pinili ko. So, ito yung nasa gilid naman na charm. Yan. So, hindi ko pa ito masyado nasusulatan. Yung daily, parang diary ko lang muna yung sinusulat ko dito. Bala ko sanang parang scrapbook yung dating ng journal ko. sobrang random lang ng mga gusto kong ilagay dito. And ayoko masyadong like katulad ng iba na sobrang nakatutok or sobrang nilalagyan ng design yung ano nila, journal. Kasi gusto ko simple lang siya. And yung utak ko kasi may ADHD ako. So, if masyadong komplikado yung gagawin ko sa journal ko, baka hindi ko siya masulatan everyday. So, ang goal ko lang talaga is masusulatan ko siya every night. Para at least yung buong araw ko lumipas na tapos mag-update na lang ako sa kanya ng gabi. So, ayun lang guys. Actually, nabili ko pala 'to, by the way, nabili ko pala 'to sa IG and then nasa ₱950 lang 'to, hindi ito umabot ng ₱1,000. So, sulit na siya.
弱いほど強くなる。今まで必死の一撃を当てた後のカウンターをかわせたやつはいねえ。やる気を出すほどお前らは俺に勝てる。
Hi everyone, good morning. So today, I have my matcha na kagawa ko lang. And then, magjo-journal muna ako. So, hindi pa ako tapos sa binabasa ko. So, nasa ilang percent pa lang ako, 52% pa lang yung nababasa ko. So, this is day 2. So, magjo-journal muna ako guys while watching. So, let's go.
It has been said that of all bitches, dead or alive, a scribbling woman is the most canine. If that should be true, then this author would like to show you her teeth. My name is Lady Whistledown. You do not know me, and rest assured you never shall. But be forewarned, dear reader, I certainly know you.
You absolutely sparkle, sister.
Come now, I'm merely simple and minced in a pretty dress like everyone else.
Not exactly like everyone else.
No, Ash, you need to go and visit Penelope. Her presentation was anything but... What was it the Queen called you again?
Flawless. Or some such thing. Just I was astonished Her Majesty offered me out of 200 young ladies present a most gracious remark.
Yes, it was quite a distinction. And now 200 young ladies have a common adversary. I wish you luck, sister.
Eloise.
What, it is true.
My success on the marriage mart influences all of your prospects. We will all need to find love one day. Indeed, a love as pure as what my mom and papa once shared, if we are so fortunate. I really hope I'm able to continue such a grand tradition.
Your dresses have arrived.
Oh!
This one's quite
Ravishing.
Mary Edgecombe wore a similar shade last season.
and secured 3 offers the very next day. Until now.
Mary Edgecombe, now the Countess of Fulton, apparently spent the last year living in a cottage hundreds of miles away from her Earl. She is miserable. It says all here.
Do not tell me that is yet another scandal.
No, this one is different. This one lists subjects by name in full.
Let me see.
Wait.
Lady Whistledown. Lady Whistledown.
The author.
Do you know our lady was
Surely Lady Whistledown will be her true name.
What does it say, dearest?
prize acceptance speech. Is the trick making him disappear? Sure, let's see it. Here, shuffle these. Okay. Now spread them out on the table, face down. Pick one. Look at it. Okay. Now remember your card. Put it back in the deck. Is it any wonder he doesn't have a doctorate? Now remind me, what's your birthday? October 6th. Okay, October is the 10th month.
Hi everyone, I'm back. So tapos ko nang basahin yung The Night and the Moth. Guys, ang ganda niya. Highly recommended ko na basahin nyo to. Sa mga hindi pa nakakabasa. Sa una kasing part nito, medyo naboboard ako sa kanya kaya matagal siyang matapos basahin. Pero nung mga kalagitnaan na hanggang last chapters na niya, maganda na siya as in. Actually may sipon-sipon pa ako kasi talaga nakakaiyak yung last part ng libro na 'to. So guys, please basahin niyo siya and then I know na lalabas na yung part 2 nito. So I'm not sure kung kailan pero for sure babasahin ko din siya. So guys, try niyo to guys, try niyo to please, please, please. So